Hi guys, it's Sushmit and today it's 22nd of June and it's Saturday और it's 2:11 p.m. and अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं Duduma, which is a waterfall. It's a place 67 kilometers away from Koraput and it's as it is rainy season, so the waterfall is going to be very nice. So we are going to visit that place. I'm going for the very first time and with my father and my sister. Hi guys, finally हम लोग डुडुमा पहुंच चुके हैं. It's waterfall and it's raining over here a bit and it's so beautiful. It's so cloudy. Waterfall. That one is Duduma waterfall. वो सामने जो दिख रहा है Duduma waterfall. अभी हम लोग ऊपर खड़े हैं. अभी हम यहाँ से नीचे जाने का रास्ता है. We'll be going down and surrounding दिखाता हूँ ऊपर से. I'm walking down. Let's walk side by side. मैं नीचे जा रहा हूँ और नीचे उतरने के लिए यहाँ पे स्टेयर्स बनी है पूरा. सामने से वाटरफॉल है. Don't you think that is good? Let's go towards it. Actually, मैं shoes नहीं डाला and I'm finding hard to walk. यहाँ पूरा कीचड़ है, बारिश हुई है. I'm just standing very close to the waterfall. You can see behind me. It's an amazing water over here. Amazing cold water over here. Yeah, so I'm going back to home. बारिश होने वाली है, so we won't be staying here for long because if it rains, it will be hard for us to go back. So you can see behind me a beautiful view. This is the place where waterfall begins, and you can see behind me. This area, it's so steep. If someone falls, that's all. He won't be back. So you can check out behind me. You see that? I wish I can stay here for long, but my dad is saying let's go back. As well as I need to pack my bags back to home. I mean back to Mumbai. So see you in Mumbai.